Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to view, filter, and sort comments from any YouTube video instantly. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, first open the YouTube Comment Viewer tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, simply paste your video link into the YouTube video URL box and click the Load Comments button. The tool will immediately load your video details, displaying your thumbnail, title, views, likes, and total comment count. Below that, under View and Sort options, you can customize how you want to view the comments using drop-downs like Default, Newest, Oldest, and Show All Comments or Has Replies, Has Likes, and more. Under Viewing Comments, you will see all extracted comments along with the user handle, time posted, and likes. You can also click Copy All Text to copy all comment text at once.